Starting on a new page feels better every time.
Oh yeah. Time to turn you off, close you off. Time to save my game. I need my wallet. Put it in my clip tray. Hi, Uber.
I ain't your Uber. What you mean?
Funny feeling for coming. We wanted to save money for the honeymoon. Something out of luck, but I do. You're my girl. I'm gonna crush your 12 pack much more.
I am toasting my bread, and this is all set and ready to eat. Look at that deliciousness. Yum! And I just got done eating these. So good. So bomb. Thanks for the food.
Yeah, of course.
I had no idea. Thank you. And didn't you in Animaniacs? You know.
Good morning. It's a cold day outside. It is 37 degrees out today, y'all. Welcome to Minnesota weather. And I'm adjusting the seat because my husband and I made a little pact that on the weekends I drive because I miss my car. And he drives my car Monday to Friday because he works in the buildings. But we're gonna go to the store. We're getting pizza. What? Guess not. Look at my Crocs. We got pizza! Yum. This Sam's had pizza. And look how delicious it looks. It looks bomb. Oh, no wonder why you didn't want pop, because you got that. How's the pizza, huh?
Sounds good.
Okay. What are you drinking? His favorite. That's so hard to find.
Not hard to find.
It's all sold out. I'm gonna eat. I got new toothbrushes. Must test them out. Hi, why you scare me like that?
Ah.
Ew, ugly. Okay, we let it charge. I don't know if it's charging. Okay, it's charging. Let you charge for a couple hours and be back.